It's never too late to dress like a Barbie, and I couldn't resist. I got the Aldo Barbie pumps. Today I'm going to review 2 pumps I decided to buy from the Barbie collection in collaboration with Aldo. Not a brand I was familiar with, and a great surprise on many fronts. If you are a shoe lover into Barbie, it's time to say let's go Barbie and grab some popcorn. Hi, my name is Anja Lisa. I love collecting designer heels, and my channel covers the ins and outs of luxury footwear with a focus on high heels. I'm here to share my journey and hopefully help you in building your shoe collection item after item. You can find my content on YouTube, but also on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and Red. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified about the latest videos. I aim to publish long-format videos weekly and shorts with outfits or shoe roundups every single day. When I saw the pumps coming in the Barbie box, that was it. This is the perfect detail of packaging for a collaboration. The kind of box you can display at home next to rare finds. I will be honest, I was never impressed by Aldo design and not as familiar with the brand when living in Austria. Yet I think they are onto something here. These shoes were sold out pretty soon and then got back in stock. A clear sign it's a solid collab, aside from the hype around Barbie this period. The 2 pumps come in see-through PVC, one with Barbie written on the side and one with all over glitter. That's where I was not sure when I pressed the button online, and the first positive surprise when I tried them on. The PVC quality is good, but also the toe box looks insane, and this is something really hard to achieve. I did try many see-through pumps, but getting to this level of look of the feet in the front with a complete see-through PVC is impressive. And this is the first well done to the Aldo team. Second, the level of details. That is what sets apart designer brand from shoes that are made to function more than please the eyes. The level of details of this shoe is pretty high for the price point they came at, but we will talk about price later. Barbie print on the insole is the first one. Looks amazing and is also comfortable. The sole is made of glitter. I know it will fade, but who cares? I'm a Barbie and I love glitter sole, especially with the Aldo logo in metal adding an extra touch. The 100mm heel is well designed too, with minor downside if you look it from below. Yet I noticed even more expensive pair need to have the visible nail where the heel is attached. And then the glitter details on the PVC, all carefully placed and perfect to match any Barbie outfit. I was pretty convinced before buying, but now I'm like, forget about returning any. Congratulations to Aldo team for this collaboration and level of details they managed to squeeze into these pumps. I didn't have the opportunity to try the sandals, platforms and mules, but these pumps have definitely a place in my collection. My true size is 37.5 EU and they fit perfectly. I was worried about the PVC, but all good. The size range wasn't as wide, but they came in half size and fit perfectly. Knowing your true size is important, as most designer brands tend to be true to size. I have linked in the description below links to my blog and other videos where I share tips on finding your true size. Now comfort. Walk shoes or sit-down shoes? Honestly, I was skeptical on the PVC as I had bad experience in the past, but these ones are really soft. Plus, the insole is a dream. It's a padded cushion that makes walking in them really a pleasure. I believe it's the Aldo Pillow Walk technology designed to make you feel like you are walking on clouds. Pretty interesting direction from Aldo, investing in comfort, given how many women give up high heels because of it. Definitely a must for Barbie fans, but actually a good pump at an entry-level designer price anyone could wear. Perfect for any Barbie look, but I think I will be able to wear them on other occasions, matching pink outfits. I styled them in many ways when doing Get Ready With Me outfits in the last weeks. Have a look on my channel for shorts in Barbie pumps. A pretty versatile shoe, I would say, despite being from a capsule collection. Differently from other capsule collaborations that are harder to match every day and also come at a higher price point, making me reluctant to wear them often. According to Aldo website, they retail at £110, $140 or €128, which is tier 1 of 5 of my designer heel price guide, sub $300. Honestly, given the level of details, This is a bargain compared to the other designer brands who rarely price any pump below $300. I can't say the same for other shoes in Aldo collection as I haven't tried them, but these particular ones can compete with designer pumps priced at least $200 to $300 and more. The Barbie movie was a success. Our social media feeds are still full of pink outfits, and if you were lucky to grab these shoes before they sold out, you should definitely keep them. I'm glad I could add them to my collection, and big thumb up for Aldo in this collaboration. Some designer brands didn't even bother posting a picture on social media about their pink shoes. Some did rounds up of Barbie approved items in their collection, but Aldo went a step further with this Barbie collection. I hope you enjoyed this review. Share any feedback on these shoes in the comments below, and don't hesitate to get in touch for help when shopping for designer shoes. Don't forget to like this video and follow me to get notified about the latest releases.